Hi there. Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku number 6098. In this puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday, March 11th, 2023, I've already solved one puzzle. Actually, it's a one-star puzzle with 26 printed digits. 3 puzzles are left, yeah. The tectonic, the binary, and the Killer Sudoku. Yes, it's time for the Killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku number 6098. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus, in additional it will be a 3 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 3 given numbers. Given number 8 in the triple box of 20, that means that those two boxes together should be 12. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. We have a given number 2 in the triple box of 6. Triple box of 6, there's only one combination. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So those two boxes together should be 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Here we have a given number 3. We're in the triple box of 12. That means that those two boxes together should be a 9. Here, triple box of 12 with a given number 1. That means that those two boxes together should be 11. Alright, let me start. My first strategy is to look for big squares. We have 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with only one sharing box. Here we have one sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one has also 1. This one has 1, 2. This one is 1. Okay. What you also need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 11 is 41, so 45 minus 41 is 4. This box should be a 4. 45 minus 41 is 4. That means in this box of 13, the combination will be 4 plus 9. Alright. Then, this big square with one sharing box. 13 plus 11 plus 10 is 34. 34 plus 5 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. This box should be a 6. In this triple box of 19, those two boxes together should be 13. 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. Completed? Okay. This big square with one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 13 plus 9 is 22, plus 8 is 30, 30 plus 8 is 38, 38 plus 6 is 44. That means that this box, 45 minus 30, 44 is a 1. The box of 9 here, the combination will be 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Then this big square with one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 7 plus 13 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 13 is 43. 43, so 45 minus 33 is a 2. In the triple box of 18, These two boxes together should be 16. Alright, completed. How about this one? Yeah. Box of 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 13 is 33. 33 plus 11 is 44. So 45 minus 44 is a 1. The box of 5, the combination here will be 1 plus 4. Completed this one with one sharing box. Count all these numbers. I will know what number this will be. 1 plus 9 is 10. 4 plus 13 is 17. Plus 10 is 27. 27 plus 12 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Completed. Alright, my next strategy now is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, we have here, let me see, the box of 16, only one combination. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Then there are two combinations for the box of 15. Wait. Let me check first. There aren't any oh, here we have a box of 16. 9 and a 7, 9 and a 7. Only one combination. Let me check. 12. Okay. Now I'm looking for boxes with two combinations. Yeah. For example, the box of 15. 9 plus 6 or 8 plus 7. The 9 is already used in this row. So 9 plus 6 is not available. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. Alright. Well, we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 5, of course. Otherwise, 5 minus 4. Well, minus 4 is not allowed. Should be in the box of 10. Combination will be 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1. There are two combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. The 1 is already used here, and the 4 also. So it must be 2 and a 3. So now we have two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6. Let me mark those. So 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. I cannot place the 3 in the box of 6, otherwise I need another 3. Double 3 is not allowed. So here can be the 3, and I cannot place the 3 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 3 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 3 should be in the box of 8. Combination here will be 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. So now we have two boxes left. One of the missing numbers is 2. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 13. Otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So in the should be in the box of 6. Combination will be 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. So the other two numbers, the other pair should be the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. Well, we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. We have two boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed, so it should be in the box of 13. The 5 combination here will be 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8. We have 8 in one of those two boxes in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4, and a 6, 4, and a 6. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be 4, and this box should be 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 9 and a 1. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be in the box of 30. Combination here will be 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5. Alright, so now we have 2 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination here will be 2 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 2 should be in the box of 9. Combination here, 2 plus 7, 2 plus 7. The other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1 and the 2. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Alright. Then. In this big square, we have a box of 5. There are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 2 plus 3 and 1 plus 4. Well, the 2 is already used in this column. So it can be 2 and a 3. Should be 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 and a 4. The 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be 6 then. That box should be 4. Alright. So 2 boxes left. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Well, I cannot place the 8 in the box of 9. Otherwise the combination will be 8 plus 1. The 1 is already used here. So it should be in the box of 10. Combination will be 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there. 8 and a 5. We have an 8 now in this last row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then. 1, 2, 3. 2 numbers left in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I cannot place the 3 in the box of 13. Otherwise, the combination will be 3 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So 3 should be in the box of 10. Alright, combination here will be 3 plus 7. Now we have a 7 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 9 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next to the last column. The only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 7, of course, so it should be in the box of 13. Combination will be 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7, of course, so it should be in the box of 13. Combination will be 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 and goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here, 6 in that row, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. Yeah, 4 and a 9 are missing in this column. 4 and a 9. Well, if I place the 4 here, these 2 boxes together should be a 12. That means that I need another 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. Well, double 8 is not allowed. Yeah. So the 4, I think the 4 should be there. Yeah, and the 9 goes there. Yeah. Well, let me wait, because that rule in the past that rule has broken by the publisher. Sometimes that rule in the triple box have the same number, so I need to wait. Otherwise I will make a mistake. All right, let me think. 8 and 5, 8 and 2. Well, we have 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, there are only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. I cannot place the 3 in the box of 13, of course, otherwise the combination will be 3 plus 10. 10 is not allowed, should be in the box of 5. So this box should be 3. Combination here will be 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we have 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, there are only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. So 1 digit left in this triple box of 13. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 1 number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Well, surprise. So this should be a 9. 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. 2 numbers left here, the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 and the 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2, need a 2 here, yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, there are only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is the number 9. So the 2 should be in this triple box of 12. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. These 2 boxes together should be 13. 8 plus 5 is 13, plus 6 is equal to 19. 2 boxes left. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 7, of course. Will be in the box of 13. Combination will be 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. Well, need to wait. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1 and the 6. Missing. We have a 6 in this third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 7 plus 4. Here in the box of 10, the combination will be 9 plus 1. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 8 and a 7, we have a 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 9 and a 1, we have a 1 now in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 and a 4, 3 and a 9, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 9 goes there. 9 and a 4, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also with myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.